crikey, it's July already. How did that happen? I'm sure it was January 5 minutes ago. Anyway, another month, another RBA meeting and decision, and as we all know, there was no change. Most of the market expected that. They think that the RBA was waiting for some more data, and that's effectively what the statement said. So what are the key things driving some of the Reserve Bank decision making? Is the global economy. So they're expecting that to grow below trend over the next 2 or 3 years. Consumer spending, there's clear evidence that consumer spending is slowing down. The cumulative impact of all these interest rates is making its mark, and we expect that to accelerate through the year as more and more fixed rate borrowers come off that fixed rate and onto higher variable rates. The other key one is inflation. So inflation's clearly falling, it's clearly peaked, but once you remove some of the more volatile items like holiday spend and petrol, it's probably not falling quite as fast as they want. And then the other one is jobs. Unemployment figure is still 3.6%. It's still historically low, very, very low levels. So there's a bunch of competing factors there which says, well, let's just hold fire for this month and let's see what happens next month. So the market generally believes there's one more rise. Okay, now that could change next week. They might say there's 2 more, but at the moment they're saying there's 1 more. And then increasingly we're seeing commentary around the beginning to the middle of next year, we might see some rate cuts. So they've done their job, inflation's under control, wages growth is under control, they're feeling more confident. So that's what the market's saying right now, beginning to the middle of next year, we might see some rate cuts. So therefore, in terms of if you're coming off a variable rate or you're thinking about fixing, fix only because you want certainty, not because you think you're going to beat the bank. The bank always wins. Fixing is about just how you choose to pay the bank. Okay, happy to discuss that with you if you need. The market in terms of property, there's still no stock around, and who knows whether it's actually even going to reappear for spring. The market's just stuck. So you just need to go onto realestate.com and search on a suburb, and you'll see very few properties listed. So that's holding back purchasing. Lots of intent out there, but very few people able to execute their strategy. They're unwilling to sell because they're unconfident about being able to buy. Cashback deals are disappearing. If you want one, you're going to have to get in quickly, so give us a call. And other than that, I hope you all survive a wet and windy Melbourne, and if you're somewhere else, treasure the warm weather. Thanks.